Let's cut a key together today. You're with Mike's Locks today, and we're gonna cut a key by code. We're gonna put it in the machine. So we need to cut 2 keys for the customer. We put it on the vise, put the stopper on, and then we cut, tight it really strong. We make sure that everything is lined up. And we cut in by code. So we put it to start, and then the machine is going to start and run. I'm going to cut the key. Finish cutting really quick. Now you can see the key turns smooth as butter. If you need a key for your lock or rekey your house or your business, please call us today to Mike's Locks at 760-766-0117. Thank you and have a nice day.